we start off with a brief from the client. So the client is the sender. That's who we're working for. The brief is the intention. What is the requirement of the actual project that we are creating an illustration for, or a piece of graphic design for, a campaign for, whatever it is. What needs to be communicated, which is the message. How do we communicate that? Well, the graphic design, illustration, whatever we are commissioned to do, we have two different semiotic theories which have different ways of approaching how semiotics effectively works to actually help enhance your visual communication. What I will do in these videos is unpack how designers and illustrators can apply Charles Sanders Peirce's theory of semiosis